Most of us speak English, but speaking mundane English is not very trendy. So let's speak English which sounds interesting. Don't be angry. Try to stay calm. I'm not interested. I'll pass. Thank you. Hurry up. Let's get a move. I will try. I will give it a shot. I like it a lot. I'm really into it. I think you are right. I couldn't agree more. He is wrong. He is mistaken. I'm sorry. I sincerely apologize. She's smart. She's razor sharp. I'm happy. I'm over the moon. I'm scared. I'm terrified. I'm very sleepy. I'm completely drained. It's very cold today. It's freezing today. I don't know. I have no idea. That's very funny. That's hilarious. He's very angry. He's furious. I don't care. It doesn't concern me. It's not difficult. It's not rocket science. Let me think. Let me give some thought to it. So, in this way, if you just change the language of your English, it will sound more trendy and more smart. So, you can just try. For more such interesting video, please like, share, and subscribe Sonu Maam's channel. Jai Hind.